A winner is someone who recognizes his God-given talent, works his tail off to develop them into skills, and uses these skills to accomplish his goals. I am Dr. Simon Toleraj, Scientific Assistant, School of Life Sciences, B.S. Abdur Rahman, Crescent Institute of Science and Technology. I feel very proud to announce the winners of the program. Each presentations were reviewed by 3 different experts, and based on their scores, the winners are best presentations were categorized under different categories. Best e-poster awards under UG category. 10 presentations were chosen for best e-poster awards, and the winners are Akash from Sri Guru Gobind Singh Tri-Sanitary University, Haryana, Chandra Jose from Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies, Maunika from PSD College of Arts and Science, Devendran Subramanian from Management and Science University, Malaysia, Divyashini from Management and Science University, Malaysia, Karpaka Lashmi from Karpaka Vinayaka College of Engineering and Technology, Sarang from Sri Ramachandra Institute of Higher Education and Research, Rupal from Institute of Pharmacy, Nirma University. Preeti, Swati and Priyadarshini from Rajalakshmi Engineering College, Maithali from Wales Institute of Science, Technology and Advanced Studies. Best e-poster awards under PG category. 9 presentations were selected for Best e-poster awards under PG category, and the winners are Jemima Peter from Stella Maris College, Pragati Kumari from TM Bhagalpur University, Priya Kaushik from Sri Guru Gobind Singh Tri-Central University, Haryana, Ridhima from Maharishi Dayanand University, Chaitanya from AIIMS Delhi, Sivaranjini from National Institute of Siddha, Mithilesh Kumari from Sri Guru Gobind Singh Tri-Central University, Shubhashini Yadav from CMP Degree College, Pooja Sri from Bharat Institute of Higher Education and Research. Next is Best e-poster awards under Research Scholar category. 7 presentations were selected for Best e-poster awards under Research Scholar category, and the winners are Shruti from Geetham University, Utkarsh Deep from SRM Institute of Science and Technology, Tamalika Paul from Presidency University, Akansha Mekra from Amenity University, Nilofer Karimshah from MIT ADT University, Vinay Kumar from Sri Guru Granth Sahib World University, Deepa Rani from Vistas, Wales University. The next is Acer Cancer Innovative Awards for Best Innovative and Novel Ideas. 3 scholars are receiving Cancer Innovative Awards presented by Association of Cancer Education and Research. They are SP Santosh from JSS College of Pharmacy, Ooty, Rucha Vadakuppar from MIT School of Bioengineering Sciences and Research, Hamsa Lada Sampath Kumar from Hozard Academic Solutions. Now it's time to announce our Young Scientist Awards. People receiving Young Scientist Awards are Dr. Munindra Ruwali from Amity University, Haryana, Dr. Geeta from Andhra University, Dr. R. Saravanan from Dr. Ambedkar Government Arts College, Chennai, Dr. Sunita from Central University of Gujarat, Dr. Susan George from Sri Tyagaraja College, Chennai. Thank you for participating in our virtual international conference. All the best.